Alright guys,
hey guys,
welcome back to another video where I take my girlfriend wild camping.
Yeah, I know.
The plan today is to hike up a mountain, find a nice spot to camp, eat some good food and then get our head down on top of the mountain. Let's see where it takes us and hopefully we survive and
I'm excited, let's do it!
So we are in the Black Mountain in South Wales, such a lush spot to go camping. It's very quiet and as you can see the views are absolutely stunning. So we're going to get Olivia camping. She's been on one little one, haven't you?
I have. I've been on a, well, I did a camp outside and we did the bothy.
Yeah.
So they're two different kind of styles, but to be fair, with the camping one I turned up late when the tent was already set up and food had already been made. So
the bothy one's on our channel, and if you want a good laugh, that wasn't a great night for Olivia because there was a mouse/rat running about and that freaked her out. So if you want to watch that video, get it done. But this is going to be the first one we've done together.
Yeah, I know, I'm excited.
Just us two. So
I've got to pull my weight now and actually set up the tent as well. So
hope we have a good time. No arguments.
Fingers crossed. I look like a slender man. Oh.
As long as his legs have been.
Yeah, I don't usually get the benefit of a long leg, so I'm making the most.
Sudden.
So good. Okay guys, so basically we've just come far enough in our walk that you can see where we're going to camp. So I'll point it out to you, it's just down here. So if you see kind of this little dark section here, that's where we're going to pop the tent. It's quite flat, there's a stone there so we'll be able to use it for cooking and things like that, and it's a little bit further down so hopefully it'll shield us from the wind a little bit because the weather is amazing. Heat in my own hair. As you can see, it is super lovely and sunny, clear sky, exactly what we want, but there is a little bit of wind. So if we're down there, should shade us a little bit, and it's a nice little place. And look at the views then. I mean, waking up in the morning to these views, you can't go wrong at all. So we will head down there now. I just got to go find James. Wherever he is. I think James is setting up the drone, actually. Let's go have a look. We've got James setting up the drone for your viewing pleasure, everyone. Here he is, he's our tech man. James is like the mountain man, the cook, the IT man. He kind of does it all. And basically I just come with him and look pretty. Yeah.
Right, apparently, while I was droning, Olivia has picked a spot to camp.
Yeah.
She's used her initiative.
Correct.
Which I didn't even ask her to do, so I'm impressed. And part of me thinks it's because it's not too far away from the car. That's why we should pick that spot.
Definitely nothing to do with the fact it's only a short walk.
So if I show you the mountain range and then I show you where we're camping, you might agree with me. Let me know in the comments who you agree with. So this is the mountain range. Yeah, you see that? And we are camping there, right there. That's the mountain range.
No, listen, it's just purely a good space to camp.
Just purely a good space to camp.
Yeah, best space in the whole.
That's not too far of a walk.
No.
And not too far from the car. But it's flat, nonetheless, and apparently there's a rock we can cook on, so yeah, no, I'm fully aware of the spot. I come this mountain quite a bit. So it's a good shot from you.
Thank you. See,
And,
I'm learning.
Cheers.
Slowly. See, James is really good at walking in the mountains, and I just kind of have to skirt on after him.
I spend most of my time walking 10 steps, stopping for 5 minutes, and then walking 10 steps. But it's okay, because I'm just happy to chill.
Ah, look at him being all nice, so thank you. Thing is, to be fair, the ground is fine. It's just there's a hole every so often. I just don't.
That's not true. Hurry up.
Let's keep plodding on, shall we? But side note, guys, the sky is pink, and that looks amazing.
And here we are, MTV camping cribs. So Olivia's found her spot. Olivia, tell us, talk us through, talk and walk.
Okay, welcome to my camping cribs, everybody. So, as you can see, we've got this lovely piece of land, okay, all open plan living, access to a water point, rock for cooking, that's our kitchen over there, and that's our lovely flat area to sleep. So, how much would you buy this piece of MTV crib land for?
I don't think we're gonna camp right here on this green spot. So, because we're looking at a lot of water here.
Yeah, so basically we just had the house searches done,
yeah.
and it's revealed a leak.
Yes.
So
quality check failed, so we're just gonna move to there.
Alright, okay. That's not too bad. That's not too bad.
Yeah, it is literally the last day of March. So it was warm today, but the temperature is slowly dropping. So we are on top of a mountain, so it is starting to get a bit cold. So I am gonna get the tent up. So I'll probably warm up a bit then, and probably get my coat on, my gloves, because I am starting to feel a bit of coldness. My fingers are losing a bit of dexterity. So yeah, but it's a nice little spot. We'll get the tent up now, get some food on. Yeah, nice little food to show you in a minute, and yeah, get cozy and get comfy and enjoy the night.
There we are. Look at this. We're all set up, guys, thanks to James.
Teamwork.
Well, I hold the pole when it blows in the wind. James does the rest. But it's all set up, look at this. Gotta go in, just need to get a few final little bits in and we'll be good to go.
Yeah, we still haven't put the stuff in yet. I still need to like sort of pin the middle up as well. But yeah, this is the Jackal 3. You can literally go outdoors for like 120 to 140 pounds probably. I put up a lot better this time. When I did my solo camp, which is a video on the channel, I struggled a lot more because I was by myself, but with Olivia it's a lot easier, so it's a lot more taut.
Thank you.
Just need to tidy things out now, so yeah, we'll get the stuff in. Get food on the go then, is it?
Yay!
And get my Gordon Ramsay on.
Look at that, tent with a view like that. Can't go wrong. Like I said, you know, earlier I gave James his list of things that he's about to become a chef as well. I said the list of stuff I called you earlier, you're about to become chef as well.
Chef.
Check it out. Alright, Master Chef, what have we got?
So we are going to cook a beans and sausage out of a ration pack. So these ration packs, you can literally get them from Go Outdoors, they're about £5 each. Yeah, so they're actually really nice as well. I used to use quite a lot of them in the military, but so so I kind of know which ones to go for, which ones are the nicer ones. But yeah, these ones are quite nice from GoPro as well. So we're going to use just this gas system here. I've got a little adapter as well. It's just going to be a case of literally, it's so quick and easy. Depends what kind of camping you want to do, but when you're wild camping, you don't really want to damage anywhere, any of the bits of the ground. Sometimes fires can do that. But luckily we don't really make fires either because we've got a nice little stand. But in this case we're just going to use the gas system, and yeah, it's going to be that in the pot, heat it up and eat it. Easy as that. Right, so we've set up everything. I have made a schoolboy error though. I forgot the table, so that is why we're on this rock. And because this rock is in hell of a slant, I am going to have to hold the pot on it and warm it up like that, which is quite inconvenient because I can't crack on with other stuff. But lucky Olivia's here, so she can crack on with that other stuff for me.
Yep.
But yeah, left the table in the house unfortunately, so it's just going to be a case. That's what it looks like before it. Looks okay. The other stuff like chili con carne you can get looks a bit grimmer before you actually put it in the pan, but it's stunning when you cook it up. It looks great. So yeah, it's going to be a case just heating, stirring. It's going to be a good 5-10 minutes now, just warm it up, and we'll do a little taste test for you guys, is it?
Yay, I'm excited.
Right guys, I have made some food. We have some beans and sausage as promised.
It actually looks really good. Given this a ration pack.
It's okay, isn't it? It looks like something out of a tin, really.
It does. It just looks like a...
the chili one, I think is going to be a lot nicer. You haven't tried the chili one, have you?
No, I haven't. Well, I haven't tried any ration packs, guys. This is very new.
But yeah, we've literally warmed it up for 10 minutes, that's it. That's why this equipment's so good when you're camping. No one knows you're here when you are while camping. No damage anywhere, just quick and easy. Obviously the negative is that it doesn't heat you up. But the food's quite warm. Do you want to try it or should I try first?
Go on, no, I'll give it a go. I'm feeling good about this. I trust James.
Right, we're going with some bean and half a sausage, right?
Let's give it a go. Okay, it's like a baby being fed his first meal. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah? Warm?
Yeah, warm.
Yeah? It's a big one.
It literally just tastes like like a meal you'd have at home. Like, you know, a home comfort meal when you're a kid and you have like beans, smiley faces, like whatever. It just tastes very normal. I thought for a ration pack it would be, I don't know, a bit weird tasting, but that tastes good.
Our sausage is lovely. Try the sausage, I did, yeah.
Yeah, I did.
That's stunning, that's more.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's nice.
That's real good.
Everyone some? Yeah, so while we're cleaning up, I forgot to mention earlier why Ross isn't here. Ross is doing very smart things, like teaching in university, so he's really busy at the minute. And I'm just wandering up mountains, so fair play Ross. But he'll be back. We're going to do some more haunted videos soon. Olivia's back in Australia now, so she'll be joining us.
Whoop whoop.
Yeah, so the next plan is get some haunted, some ghostly stories, or ghostly camping in soon. But yeah, we're going to smash them out, so yeah.
Miss you, Ross.
Enjoying your wild camp?
Do you know what? I'm really enjoying my wild camp actually. It's really quite nice. Like, it was sunny earlier, which was nice when we were setting up. It's gone a little bit colder now, so my fingers are a bit cold.
Yeah.
But apart from that, honestly, we're really cosy.
We get nice little tent now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. Full belly, that's been ticked off.
Full belly, warm, well, warming up a bit now. I've got a bit of a coat on. How cold is it? Should we have a check?
Yeah, have a check what the...
It is 8 degrees, so it's alright.
Oh, 8's not too bad actually.
And what time is it now? It's approximately 9:15 in the night, so yeah, it is literally dark as hell now though, so
yeah, it's pitch black, like without the light, that like the light is gone now, it's pitch black, but it's fine because we've already set up the tent, had food, like we've done all the stuff we need light for really.
We came camping here last summer and you could see all over the mountainside there was like fires where people were wild camping themselves. We can see 2 now, which I'm quite surprised at.
Yeah, we can actually, we can see 2 fires in the distance,
but,
which is awesome. It's like a secret little community. I feel like we're up here, we can see other people's fires in the distance, like it's just very cool and it's so peaceful. I mean obviously it's super quiet up here.
So a little trick I think with the gas canister cooking you can use as well is for your drinking water. I have explained this in a previous video as well, so it's if you've got a plastic water bottle and you've got water in that, I don't think it would happen tonight, but if the temperature does drop below 0 then the water can freeze, and obviously you can't reheat that because it's in a bottle. So my trick would be get metal pans, get your water, pour that water in the metal pans before you go to sleep. That way then if it does freeze overnight, you've got a little gas canister and heating tool, just heat the water back up and unfreeze it then, so you've got
drinking. That's a really good idea.
Yeah, drinking water for the morning then.
Yeah, that's a really good idea.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, good
all
to
that
go.
good stuff, innit?
That's really handy actually.
Yeah.
Where'd you learn that? The military?
It's the only thing I learned, I think.
You took something away from the Arctic training.
Yeah, that's just about it.
One thing that I didn't really realise about wild camping is just how easy it can be. Like, I say that obviously James sets it up for us and everything, but ultimately we haven't brought much at all. Like, James has his bag full of our essentials, but pretty much we've just had tent, sleeping bags, a little bit to cook with. As long as we've got like our layers, our water, our essentials,
Yeah.
you don't need loads. It's I'm really impressed at how easy. Maybe it isn't so easy, maybe James has made it look easy, I'm not sure. Maybe you guys will have to let me know in the comments if it is actually easy, but no, I'm super impressed. It's been amazing. I've really enjoyed.
How do you think you're going to sleep tonight? Do you think you sleep okay?
I think I will. I think once I'm used to it, obviously there's like sounds that you're not used to, you know, the wind and things rustling, but actually where we are is really very peaceful.
I love this spot.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, there's no human traffic, there's no cars for a while, so
there's nothing.
I rarely ever see people come up here, and you can wake up with such stunning views and just be left alone.
Yeah, no, absolutely, yeah. So it feels very safe. Like,
yeah.
I feel very calm.
Oh, wait, 25 minutes from the car, half hour from the car?
Literally like 25,
so,
half hour walk. So it wouldn't take long to get back if
yeah,
there was
things
a problem.
do go wrong, then we're okay, aren't we?
Yeah, absolutely. No, I feel super safe. I'm actually quite excited to sleep in the tent and just kind of take in being away from everything and actually just enjoy being in nature. I'm actually very excited.
There we are, so get to bed then, is it?
Let's get to bed.
Get warm, because it is getting rather cold now.
Yes, it is. My fingers are starting to tell me how cold it is.
Yeah, it is, my finger. So we're getting to bed, getting sleeping bags, could watch something, could put an audiobook on, who knows, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Chill out and get a nice sleep.
And then get up bright and early in the morning, setting off and getting home.
Get out early. So we'll see you guys in the morning.
Bye guys, see you in the morning. Good night.
Good morning all. It's really early hours of the morning. It's about, what, 5 o'clock. Liv just popped off the toilet. It's cold outside, really cold outside, but really warm in here. We had a good night's sleep. It's so warm I'm out of my sleeping bag, but yeah, plan is now just to get up and get out. It is cold though, so we are just going to set the tent up and get back in the car, and thankfully to Olivia's camping spot, it's only about a 25 half hour walk away from the car. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked it. I hope you can subscribe for more. Yeah, and just thank you for watching.